Hey, what up, everybody? It's your boy, Chicago Trucker Life for Life. So, making a quick video. I'm gonna grease up this Pittsburgh I got. So, quick story. I was at the mechanic shop today, replacing some quarter fenders, and as I was getting ready to leave, uh, the mechanic had he had the lower part of the handle, and I remember just joking around with him. I said, "Man, I would have never thought in a million years you would have a Pittsburgh, because he's a snap-on, uh, type of guy." And he was telling me it belonged to an older another mechanic that used to work there. He's not there no more, so he had just found it. So the thing with Pittsburgh is, they have a lifetime warranty. I don't know if it's, yeah, there it is right there. I don't know if you guys can see that shit. See, look, lifetime warranty. So bring it back, no questions asked. So I told him, "Hey man, what's up? Let me get it." He's like, "Yeah, go ahead, take it." So I took it to Pittsburgh today, and they warrantied out. They gave me a brand new one, so I didn't pay anything. So I'm gonna grease it because, just listen to it, watch. See, I'm turning it around. Now I'm gonna have to select the switch. I don't know if you guys can hear that shit. So it's not that bad, but I'm still gonna grease it up. So, and these are the same one that Snap-on uses. This one right here, Super Lube. Can you guys see that shit? Multi-purpose synthetic grease. And these are the same one Snap-on uses on their shit to grease up the flex head, the ratcheting. So I'm gonna pop this bitch right now and let me pause it. All right, took off the this here. I took that off. Now I'm gonna use the torque. Yep, found it. It's this one right here. I think it's the T8. Yeah, it's a T8. So put it on this. All right, got the handle right here. Can you guys see this shit? Yeah. Can you guys see that shit? Oily than a motherfucker. So, let's see right here. This first right here. I'm just going around it. Nothing too crazy. here. Something quick and easy. Look at that. Nice and greased. I'll do that later. So the taller one here. Yeah. You gotta put blue Loctite, but I mean, just for now, I think it'll be fine. There. And then just give it a good cleaning. A good wipe down. Alright. Alright, let's listen to it. Beautiful. Hear that shit? Can you guys hear it? Beautiful. Nice and quiet. All right. So that's it. Just a quick video. And super lube, multi-purpose synthetic grease. Again, this is the same one that Snap-on uses on their shit. So why not on Pittsburgh Harbor Freight? Look at that. Beautiful. I just got this today. Look at that. Nice. You see that shit? Nice. All right. Thanks for watching. Thank you.